Subscribe now and press the bell icon.
Good evening, student. I am SK sir. Today I am going to discuss some basic question that is related with metal. In previous video, we discussed about the metal, and related with the metal, some questions have been given. It is of MCQ types. Circle the correct option. Each question carries 1 mark. Before solving this question, if you want to see the previous video metal, then you can go in description box and you can take link from this video. First question: if an element includes 1, 2 or 3 valence electrons, said to be what? Options have been given: A. Valency, B. core electrons, C. metal, D. non-metal. In given option, 1 is correct, so 1 is done for you. Here metal is correct answer. Now here question is clearly shown: if any element include 1, 2 or 3 valence electron, then it is said to be metal. Now we see the next question. Question number 2. Which one of these is not a metal? Here A. lithium, B. calcium, C. hydrogen, D. magnesium. Now you see, we know that in lithium, Z of lithium is 3, 1s2, 2s1. So it has 1 valence electron. So lithium is metal. Calcium, we know that Z of calcium 20, 2, 8, 8, 2, and in outermost shell of calcium has 2 electrons, so it is also metal. Now just like in hydrogen, we see Z of hydrogen is 1, so 1s1. Here outermost shell is 1, so it is an exceptional case, so it comes under the non-metals. So here it is not correct answer. And magnesium, we see that Z of magnesium is 12, so 2, 8, 2. We know that it is the outermost shell, so it is also denotes 2 valence electrons, so it shows metal. Now we see the next question. Question number 3. Which one of these loses 2 valence electrons from its outermost shell? Here 4 options have been given. In which one is correct? We have to observe the questions, what are asking question. Here 1 is correct answer, so first we have to choose A. beryllium, Be, B. potassium, K, C. Lithium Li, D. Sodium Na. So first we have to calculate and then derive the correct answer. Now we see the next question. Question number 4. What is the common among given elements like sodium, potassium, magnesium and lithium? Here we have to first calculate and observe what are the given options. A. Cell, B. Subcell, C. Metal, D. Subcell and metal. We have to calculate every options, then we can reach the correct answer. So you have to get correct answer by solving these questions. Now we see the next question. What is an uncommon among given elements like calcium, magnesium and beryllium? Here uncommon, that means not similar, one or two features is exactly different from one. So here options have been given: A. Cell, B. Subcell, C. Valence electron, D. valency. First of all, we have to see right electronic configuration, then derive cell, subcell and valence electron and valency. Then you have to derive the correct answer. Now see the next question. Question number 6. Which one of these loses its electron from outermost shell? Here one of these given options has to capable to lose electron from outermost shell. A. Non-metal, B. Metal, C. 4 electron, D. None. So we have to observe the questions and given options, then you have to calculate the correct answer. Now we see the next question. Question number 7. Which one of these elements loses 2 electrons? Here options have been given: A. Sodium, B. Lithium, C. Potassium and D. Beryllium. So first you have to derive electronic configuration, then chemically how many electrons loses by each of the element. We have to chemically arrange it. 281 sodium. So outermost shell is 1, so it loses 1 electron because 1 is come under the outermost shell, so it loses 1 electron, and we know that outermost shell always loses its electron. So here sodium is release 1 electron. In this way we solve one by one. Now we chemically divide it. Now chemically we derive it. Sodium, if it loses 1 electron, then it got positive ion. Now and here electron is 10 and it gets sodium ion. So in this way we derive the losing of electron. Here 1 electron is losing, by the sodium. In this way we derive others one and then calculate the correct answer. Now we see the question number 8. Pick out the right option with respect to cell of elements in proper order. Here we have to arrange first elements with respect to cell of element in proper order. Here options have been given. A, sodium is greater than lithium and lithium is greater than potassium. B, aluminum is greater than silicon and silicon is greater than lithium. And C, silicon is greater than aluminum and aluminum is greater than beryllium. So first we have to calculate the cell by writing the electronic configuration. We know that cell K, L, M, N, and we have to respectively determine and then find out the correct answer. The next question number 9. Which one of these elements group shows similar valence subcell? Here elements group, that means in options in which given two elements, so it is called as A group. So we have to understand that here one of these elements groups show the similar valence electron. So if we have to know the writing electronic configuration and losing electrons by calculating the valence electron that comes in outermost shell. So first we have to calculate options. A, lithium, aluminum. B, sodium and potassium. C, magnesium and aluminum. D, sodium and silicon. So first we have to calculate and then derive similar valence electron subcell. Here we have to understand node cell. You have to choose the valence electron subcell, so you can get the correct answer. Now see the last question number 10. Metal is determined by A, losing its valence electron. B, gaining its valence electron. C, neither losing nor gaining valence electron. And D, all of these. So here we have to know that which answer is correct, because metal is determined by, we know that those who losing its outermost cells. So we have to observe and give the correct answer. Now if you like this video, give comments. Thanks for watching this video.